Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to change payment password on WeChat Pay. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are finding it to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial on how best to use WeChat. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment password on WeChat. So let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply click on WeChat. Then after open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on Me. And the next thing you need to do here is to click on Services. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Wallet. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Payment Settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Change Payment Password. Then at this point here, you'll be asked to enter your payment password to verify your identity. Enter your 6-digit number, then confirm the 6-digit number, then your identity will be successfully confirmed and you'll be asked to enter a new payment password into your WeChat Pay. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your payment password on WeChat without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use WeChat Pay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.